What's up, everybody? Today I'm at a dental clinic. It's because we have Dr. Hajira here. Dr. Hajira, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. I'm great.
So this is also a COVID compliant clinic. I'm not wearing my mask because I forgot. It's somewhere there. I'll get that. So she was saying that my tooth is very nice, and she's never seen
Yes,
a
it's
set of.
beautiful. It's just so beautiful. He's got the maximum amount of Tata deposits and the gaps, and even a broken chipped tooth.
See, that is the souvenir that a lot of boys had while they were practicing wrestling when they were back in school.
And when he got choke slammed over.
Yeah, I got choke slammed.
Yeah.
So, you were saying that a lot of things I need to get done,
Correct.
right? But mainly for smokers like us. We need something that is to be done every once in 3 months or 6 months.
6 months.
Once in 6 months.
Yes.
What do we need to go under a process of once in
Nothing.
six
It's
months?
just a general cleaning that will be done using our ultrasound scalers. So it's called as scaling and polishing. Yes. So what we do is we just remove the tartar deposits from your teeth and even the stains, the smoking stains, the tobacco stains basically. That's about it, and you just need to keep it healthy by doing the regular brushing, which is twice daily, and rinsing your mouth with a mouthwash.
I think there's something so comforting when you have a doctor who understands smokers.
Yes, definitely.
You don't have to really be that embarrassed. As you can really get with a doctor who doesn't understand smokers, right? They can really put you in such an uncomfortable situation that you don't want to be in.
इस शहर को ये हुआ क्या?
अरे यार
कहीं राग है?
क्यों पीते हो तुम लोग सिगरेट? हाँ, शर्म नहीं आती?
Ask me, I know. And if you guys know the same, please comment down below.
A few minutes later.
So, Bappa, how was the experience? Would you like to share with us?
Very alien right now. You know what? I really need to say this from the bottom of my heart, not because I'm kind of promoting them or I'm promoting the service. Wherever you are, in whichever part of the country you are, the world you are, I think especially if you're a smoker, you should get your cleaning done once in 6 months because
Completely.
suddenly I feel I'm in another man's mouth. I do not know if that makes sense. At times when you wear somebody else's shoe and you feel like there's something different in this shoe, I can feel that in my mouth right now. I can feel places in my tooth that I've never felt in years.
Yes. So basically, whenever we remove the calculus deposit or the tartar deposit, people usually mistake it by thinking we have removed a part of their tooth. But
No, actually, we are in so much of love with all the tartar that has been formed over the years. It's like it's homegrown,
Exactly.
right? And then you really think it's a part of you, and then suddenly when you remove it, you're like, yeah.
yeah, you do feel new, right? You
Very
do
new, yeah.
feel that you have a breather now, right? Like your teeth, they breathe, right?
True.
So exactly that's the point. What we want to convey here, that let your gums breathe, let your teeth breathe. Wherein you are not letting them breathe by keeping all this deposition over there.
So-
And what do you have to talk about it?
So my experience was pretty fun. And it was quick. Yeah, it was really quick. You were pretty good. I should admit that. Though since we're also friends, I don't like to admit that. But yeah, not bad. She actually finished the entire procedure in I think less than 10 minutes, like 7-8 minutes, and she was really quick. I felt comfortable. I think that is the most important thing because as a smoker, I'm so embarrassed at times, to show my tooth to a dentist, like how I mentioned earlier. But you made me feel comfortable, so thank you.
Yeah.
Not just because she's a friend, but she also understands the pain of a smoker, which I really appreciate. At the same time, you told me 5-6 things that I need more. So we will keep you posted on the other things that we will be doing.